Welcome to today's Explainer. We're jumping right into a concept today that honestly challenges standard market wisdom and, frankly, might completely change how you look at the markets. Most trading education out there focuses heavily on finding that perfect setup, the ideal chart, the exact moving average crossover. But what if spotting the setup is only half the battle? Today, we're unpacking the core premise that timing, not just identifying the opportunity, is the entire game. We're going to break down exactly why just 2 days, literally 48 hours, can be the absolute dividing line between a massive profit and a painful loss. To really wrap our heads around this, let's just imagine a quick timeline. Picture any stock you want. On Monday, it's trading right at $100. Fast forward to Wednesday, boom, it's pushed up to 110. But by Friday, it completely collapses back down to $98. Now picture 3 different traders looking at this exact same stock. Trader number 1 hits buy on Monday, sells Wednesday, and locks in a beautiful 10% gain. Trader 2 buys on Wednesday, holds till Friday, and eats a 10% loss. And the third trader? Well, they wait until Friday for that standard confirmation that the stock is safe, and they end up missing the whole upward move altogether. Same stock, same exact time frame, 3 completely wildly different outcomes, based entirely on exactly when they hit that buy button. So that brings us to a really fascinating question, right? Why did the exact same company fundamentals give those 3 traders totally different results? Think about it. The company didn't just magically change its business model between Monday and Wednesday. The earnings report didn't suddenly flip. The CEO didn't quit. The literal only difference between a 10% win, a 10% loss, and just sitting awkwardly on the sidelines was timing. If you've ever felt like you're constantly buying at the exact top or jumping in right as a stock reverses against you, you're definitely going to want to stick with me here because we're breaking down exactly why this keeps happening. Let's kick things off with Section 1, Retail's Structural Disadvantage. Listen, if you constantly find yourself missing these trades, it is not a personal flaw. It's not because you aren't smart enough. What's actually happening is a mechanical, built-in structural disadvantage in how standard trading is taught to the public. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is looking at the retail trader versus the institutional trader. Standard education tells retail to wait, look for the pattern, right? Wait for the breakout, get confirmation, then enter. But identifying all that takes time. Meanwhile, the institutional trader, they do not wait for confirmation. By the time the retail guy has confirmed the pattern, the big institutional money that saw it first has already made their move. The easy money is literally already off the table and retail is left holding the bag. To really grasp this structural gap, we have to talk about how institutions actually operate behind the scenes, specifically through a process called accumulation. Basically, this is when big institutional money quietly builds up their positions before a major price move becomes glaringly obvious to the rest of us. You see, institutions can't just throw all their capital in at once. If they did, they'd spike the price on themselves and completely ruin their entry. So they do it quietly, over time. And that gap, the window between their quiet accumulation phase and the loud, obvious retail breakout, that is exactly where the real, life-changing money is made. Okay, let's dive into this. Section 2. The 48-hour difference. Let's look at the concrete math behind this timing gap. 48 hours. 2 days. Now, in the grand scheme of life, 2 days is nothing, right? But in fast-moving financial markets, a 48-hour delay is absolutely catastrophic. We are talking about markets where stocks can easily jump 5 to 10% in that exact little window. So as you can probably imagine, if you're getting your information 2 days after the big institutions have quietly positioned themselves, you're basically walking into an ambush. The move has already happened, and you are literally just providing the exit liquidity for the smart money. Let's see how this plays out in a real-world scenario with, let's just call it, stock XYZ. Say institutions start quietly accumulating this stock on Monday. By Tuesday evening, they've positioned 60% of their move. Come Wednesday morning, the big retail breakout happens, and the price gaps up 8%. Now look closely at that final result. Our first trader has a premium real-time signal. They see the accumulation Monday afternoon, get in, capture that full 8% move, and get out before retail FOMO drives the price back down. They walk away with a really solid 7 to 8% gain. Then, take our second trader. They have a free signal, which naturally comes with a 2-day delay. They get notified Wednesday morning, but remember, the price has already gapped up 4% by then. So they enter at a worse price and walk away with a much smaller 3 to 4% gain. And finally, the standard retail trader with no signal at all. They see the loud, obvious breakout on Thursday. They get massive FOMO, fear of missing out, so they buy. The stock naturally reverses on Friday, and they eat a 2% loss. Same stock, same fundamentals. The only difference? Exactly when they got the information. And this brings us to a golden rule you absolutely have to internalize. A 4 to 5% difference per trade? I mean, sure, it might not sound like a huge deal in isolation, but it compounds. It literally compounds into the difference between making money and losing it. When you spread that out across dozens or even hundreds of trades over a year, that gap between the premium trader's 8% gain and the delayed trader's 3% gain isn't just some minor detail. It is for sure the dividing line between being a consistently profitable trader who actually grows their wealth versus one whose account just slowly, painfully bleeds out over time.
Which leads us perfectly into Section 3, education versus execution.
Now, you might be sitting there wondering, well, why on earth would anyone ever use a delayed signal if it bleeds profit? But here's the thing. For retail traders who are just learning the ropes, that 2-day delay is actually a massive advantage. Think about it. First off, the methodology is totally free. You aren't paying a dime yet. You're just learning why these setups work. Second, it gives you a chance to do a hindsight study on institutional accumulation. When you look at a setup that's already moved, you can study it safely in the rearview mirror. You look at the chart and go, oh, wow, okay, I see exactly where the institution's accumulated. I get the structure now. It lets you understand market dynamics safely, and it builds your intuition without risking a single penny of your own capital. Honestly, that kind of education is invaluable. So we really need to clearly separate these two phases. The free tier, that is entirely about learning the framework. It's about figuring out the why safely without putting your hard-earned money on the line. But the premium tier, that's a whole different ballgame. That is about collapsing the time gap. Because once you've moved past that learning phase and you're actually executing with real money in the live markets, you absolutely cannot afford to be 2 days behind. You need real-time execution to capture the full move. Making that jump really requires a total mindset shift. It boils down to this core rule. Premium access isn't an expense, it's literally insurance on your capital. Once you start trading real money, having that 24 to 48-hour edge is exactly the shield that protects your investments from the wild rush of retail FOMO. It guarantees that you are positioned right alongside the quiet institutional money, getting in early and safely instead of winding up as their exit liquidity a couple days later. So, given everything we've just covered, what's your logical next step here? Honestly, I'd say join the free Discord using the link provided. Just take some time to learn the framework. Really internalize the institutional edge we've been talking about today. Paper trade it a few times. Prove to yourself that the system actually works before you ever risk a single dollar of your own money. The goal is to prove the framework first. Then, and only then, when you are fully confident and ready to trade real capital, you can graduate to premium and close that timing gap for good. I want to leave you with one final, absolutely crucial question to think about. Take a hard look at your own trading history over the last couple of months. Look at your recent wins and, look at your recent losses. Are you trading 2 days ahead of the market, quietly positioning yourself with the institutions? Or are you trading 2 days behind, just reacting to the news and accidentally buying at the absolute top? Remember, having that timing edge isn't just part of the game. It is the entire game. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I really look forward to seeing you inside the community.